Any young person can make $100,000 a year if they just learn this. If you're young and want to make $100,000 a year, there's one skill you need to learn and almost no one is telling you about it. Knowing this could keep you out of big debt and help you make big money much sooner. So when I was 19, I was working a job stocking shelves and I was only making about $5 an hour, if you can believe that. I had no idea what I wanted to do with my life. I felt like I had no plan. Everyone around me kept saying the same thing. You got to go to college. You've got to get a degree. That's the only way you're going to earn really good money. So I decided to try college, but I only stayed for one semester. I didn't like it. I knew in my gut that college wasn't right for me, and I was already starting to pile up a bunch of student loan debt that I knew I was going to have to pay back. I made one of the smartest choices that I've ever made by dropping out of college and started working with my brother-in-law as a plumber. Now, look, it wasn't glamorous. It was hard work, but here's what happened. Within a few years, I went from making $5 an hour to $30 an hour. Then I got licensed, started pulling in $50 an hour. By my 30s, I was partners with my brother-in-law and helping him run a business with over 30 employees. Today, I make between $150,000 to $200,000 a year, and that's with working around 30 to 35 hours a week. And I did this without ever going back to college. Listen, if you're young and unsure about what to do next, you can do what I did. Learn a high-income skill like plumbing. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get to $100,000 a year without a degree and without waiting 10 years to get there. Let's start with the numbers and compare college versus trade school. College is expensive. Most schools cost $20,000 a year or more. That's $80,000 to $100,000 for a degree in something you may not even like. And what's the average starting salary after all that? Around $45,000 to $55,000 a year if you're lucky. And you're often stuck with student loans that'll haunt you for a decade or more, especially if you pick a degree that isn't future-proof or will stay in demand. Now let's compare that to trade school. You can get trained in 6 to 12 months. It costs anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000, which is still a big financial commitment, and oftentimes trade schools have long commutes or driving times that make it difficult and very inconvenient. But you can start working, and within a year, you'll be already making maybe between $45,000 and $65,000 a year right out of the gate. Trade school means less debt with hands-on experience and real skills to be extremely employable. That's the difference. I've seen it happen over and over again. Young guys coming into plumbing, HVAC, or electrical with no degree, no experience, just the willingness to work and learn. 2 or 3 years later, they're making more than their friends who went the college route. Some start their own businesses and don't even get their hands dirty anymore or do any heavy lifting. They simply oversee operations, manage employees, and make sure the business is running smoothly. So if you're sitting there thinking, I still have no idea where to start, listen, don't stress. There's a better, modern way to start a new career that I wish was around when I was younger. There's a site out there called CourseCareers that can actually help you get hired in the trades, like as a plumbing apprentice, within 4 to 12 weeks, and it actually all starts completely for free. I teach the plumbing course, which helps you learn the skills you need to get hired and will help you actually get hired after you graduate. CourseCareers has these free intro courses that walk you through a bunch of different career paths like the plumbing, construction management, electrical, HVAC, construction estimating, and more. These intro courses show you what each job is like, what you'll be doing actually from day to day, and how to get hired. Each intro course is only a few short videos, and they are totally free, and you can start them to help you determine what career path is best for you. Click the link in the description to take your first step for free today. You'll know if it's a good fit before spending a dime. Now, making $100,000 a year in the trades might seem a bit complicated, but the path most people miss is actually a simple one. It's the exact path I followed after dropping out of college. Let's break it down into just 4 steps. Step number 1, train. You pick college or you pick a trade school or a platform like CourseCareers to learn the skills to get hired. Most apprenticeships even pay you while you learn. Step number 2, work. You get started making around $15 to $25 an hour depending on where you live. That's $35,000 to $50,000 your first year while you're learning on the job. You're in the process of refining your skills, acquiring new skills through the experience, which increase your value over time. You're getting paid to learn instead of paying to learn like you do when you go to college. Step number 3, specialize. Once you get licensed or certified, you're suddenly making $30 to $50 an hour. Why? Because there's a lack of qualified talent, especially in the trades where you can charge a premium for your services. Step number 4, scale. Want to really make some money? Start your own business and subcontract the work. Hire a team of people who were once in your position as apprentices and train them. That's what I did. There's nothing special about me or my situation. I just stuck with it, worked hard, and acquired the right skills. It's not just plumbing, it's HVAC, it's drafting, it's electrical, it's construction management, and more. These jobs are needed everywhere, and there's a shortage of people to do them. If you like working with your hands and solving real problems, building things, or want a fulfilling job that actually pays, the trades are definitely worth looking at. Here's another thing that no one else talks about, the stability. During the 2020 lockdowns, a lot of people in corporate jobs got laid off or sent home. Me, I was still working. People still needed water, pipes still burst, and toilets still need fixing. Trades don't go away. They can't be outsourced. AI can't do them. Plus, you're not stuck behind a desk all day. You're moving around, you're thinking, you're solving problems. It helps you keep sharp, keeps you healthy. I just turned 50 and I'm still going strong. And the best part, when you own your own business, you are free. You're not waiting for a raise. You set your own rates, you set your own schedule. It's like you're on your own path. Look, I get it. Not everyone's built for college. I wasn't. But if you're young, hungry, and want to make real money without wasting your time or racking up student loan debt, the trades are one of the best kept secrets out there. And if you don't know where to start, check out CourseCareers' free intro courses below. It's a simple way to figure out if plumbing, electrical, or another trade is right for you. Then take action, get trained, get licensed, and watch your life change. Don't wait for someone to hand you success. Get out there and build it. Subscribe for more videos like this. Drop a comment if you've ever considered learning a trade or if you're already on the journey. Let's get to work.